McLaren Automotiv je organizovao zabavu u Walkingu na kojoj je otkrivena perjanica marke MP4-12C, prvi od nekoliko novih modela koje će McLaren lansirati i u koje će biti utkano sve ono najbolje iz Formule 1. U centru pažnje su bili Jenson Button i Lewis Hamilton koji su i otkrili novi super automobil. Da podsjetimo, reč je o vozilu sa srednje pozicioniranim 3,8 litarskim V8 motorom sa 600 konjskih snaga. Za očekivati je da bude poređenje sa legendarnim McLarenom F1, ali nešto opipljivije ćemo znati kada MP4-12C izađe na stazu, mada se suštinski radi o različitim automobilima. Novajlija je više super automobil za svakodnevnu vožnju poput recimo Lamborghini Murcielaga, dok je F1 rasni performer. A kako to izgleda kada u McLaren 12C sednu dva vikend vozača kao što su Jenson Button i Lewis Hamilton?
Today we brought two of our XP Beta prototype test cars to Goodwood, but we've also brought Jenson and Lewis along to have a drive. It's their first exposure to our work. At McLaren we're very fortunate to be able to draw on a huge amount of Formula 1 expertise and technology, but also with Lewis and Jenson we've got two world champions helping with our test programme. It can't get better than that.
Let's do it. The sound of the engine's lovely. You get a lot of grip through here.
He's flat out, he's not supposed to drive 100%, but we don't know how to drive anything less.
I think the biggest problem with this car is you do forget sometimes it is a road car. And there's one corner out the back, which is the left, which you don't even need to push, and you can feel the grip of the car, and the shift's good. And if you get the power in a certain rev band, I think it's about 67, it's got this sound. It's nice.
It sounds pretty cool when it goes past, man.
First of all, you've got to remember, you've got to take your racing brain out, really, and put it to one side, and remember that it is a road car. So it's a nice car to drive, and it feels very quick as well.
The great thing with this car is the engine and also the downshifts. I feel really comfortable. You hear the turbos kicking in. Very good, you can brake very late and deep. It's very responsive, you know, change the direction.
I have been involved with this project from the beginning, and when you're passionate about it and then you see someone come along and drive it quite quickly, yeah, it's an interesting feeling, but you know, we've got to get used to it because we're going to sell a lot of these cars and have to get used to handing them over to owners and they can do what they want with them.
Sounds good.
Take it.
What?